Tom Hanks starts each day with a warm cup of coffee and a 5-minute crossword, quietly mapping his mood before the cameras start rolling. He keeps a beloved collection of vintage typewriters, using them to draft personal letters and short stories between takes. When not on set, he prefers long walks and a careful routine that prioritizes reading, reflection, and simple acts of generosity toward fans. A signature anecdote recalls him sending a handwritten note to a young aspiring actor who inspired him years ago. This glimpse reveals a restrained, purposeful public figure who treats craft and connection as daily work.